Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to pay using GCash in Netflix. Alright, let's begin. First, open your preferred browser and search for Netflix. Go to the official Netflix website and sign into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, complete the registration process and click on Finish Sign Up. After that, tap on the Next button. Next, choose a plan that suits your needs. You will see details listed below each plan. Once you've selected your plan, scroll down and click on the Next button. Now, select Digital Wallet as your payment method where GCash is available. Enter the phone number linked to your GCash account and agree to the terms and conditions. Finally, click on Start Membership to complete your payment process. So that's basically how you can pay using GCash in Netflix. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.